What's going on, guys? It's Ty with MMT Pros. We out here on site about to take care of this detail service on this Cadillac Escalade. We're going to perform a premium detail service along with headlight restoration. As you can see the headlights right now. But we're gonna go ahead and take care of the headlights first because we are going to ceramic coat them. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the headlights, do the headlights, wash the vehicle, dry the vehicle. Then once the vehicle is completely dry, we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat the headlights. But that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna let you guys check it out. About a paint chipping right here at the bottom. What's going on, guys? Ty with MMT Pros. Just got done with the detail service on this Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, wheels and tires nice and clean in condition. Check out those glazed donuts, buddy. Let you guys check out the inside of the vehicle. As you can see, paper mats installed. No more debris around the dashboard, around the driver's area. As you can see, cup holder nice and clean. Nice and clean on the passenger side. Paper mats installed as well. Of course, paper mats installed in the back area as well. It's nice and clean. We have the Escalade nice and shined up. Ready to go on a road trip. As you can see, we got our detailer plate on the back. We're going to reinstall the customer's plate in a few minutes. But as you can see, we just got done with this Cadillac Escalade. Need any service, don't hesitate to give us a call, 919-867-9838. We'll definitely come out and give you some service. As you can see, the glazed donuts, nice and shined up. As you can see. As well as let you guys check out the headlights. Headlights do have some haze that's on the inside, you know, so we just shined them up the best we could. And we did ceramic coat them with the 1-year warranty on the headlight restoration. But they say the ceramic coating lasts up to 5 years, so we just warranty it for 1 year. Need any service, don't hesitate to give us a call, 919-867-9838. Thank you.